Please, the spot. Hello. I'm following you on my Facebook. There's a couple of stickers next to the same way. Okay. Wait, let me just have a and then, I reached, um, what I it, it would really yeah, anyway, here we go. I know there's something away 'cause it's small. I get an ocean from your look in your eyes. Yeah, you come along. That love falls apart. A little piece of second, a little piece of heaven. Turns to gold. Listen to your phone. When he's calling for you, listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know when it's coming, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. That was the first one. Now this is the I am very sad. Lay me down on the bed of roses, sink me in the river at home. Let me play with the words of the love song. Uh-oh, uh-oh. More maybe rain, more champagne with the purpose. She knows there's a few once she steps into the colors. Oh, nothing always what you think you always see. Even brave, but you better use a baby. The sharpness of a short line. Well, shut up! I've had just enough time. I'll tell you, bury me twice, weigh me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river. I don't run me away with the words of a love song. Okay,